Hello, my name is Max. Welcome to No Code Nerd. We're talking about Automatio today. Automatio is really cool. I like how the name flows off the tongue. As you can see, it's still in beta, so it's still in early access. But what it lets you do is create scripts, visual scripts. You're not programming anything. You're not doing anything like that. Visual scripts that allow you to go in and create a web scraper that pulls from the internet, from web pages, from multiple different web pages, right? It'll even input keywords. It'll, paginate across different pages. It'll pull that information into, whatever database you want. It'll schedule different pulls at different times so you can keep track of what's changing on a website. It'll extract all that information, pop it somewhere that's accessible, and do it all without programming or anything. As you can see, you can design little flows on the right over here. So it's amazing. Very, very cool. I'm very excited to start experimenting and testing with these kinds of things, and it even runs in the cloud, which is excellent because previously web scrapers have to run on your machine, which can get a little bit crazy. Make a bot in minutes, not days or weeks. It's so cool. So if you want to automate the internet and you want to pull information off of different places and automate some of your actions and processes and create web macros and things like that, Automatio might be the thing for you. Go apply for early access. See you in the next episode.